Hi friends, this video shows how to install Hotstar app in Kids profile. Go to top left corner, select switch accounts. Let me switch to Kids profile, Kit 2. See, here on top left corner, select settings. Enter profile password. Go to manage apps. Here you can see list of kids apps from Google Play. Go down and here you can see all apps that already installed in this device. I already installed Geo Hotstar app in this device in parent profile, and we can find that Hotstar app here. See, let me select this Hotstar app, then select allow. So this way we can install this Hotstar app in this kids profile. Done. Let me verify. Go to home screen. See, here you can see the icon of Hotstar app. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.